Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to bring you an update here, but before I get to this update, I want to say if you are looking for a brokerage account and you would like to trade some stock and you do not have one, Robinhood does have a promotion going on. If you use that link in the comments and description section of this video to sign up for Robinhood, you can get some free stock. So this is actually the link I'm showing on the screen right now. So if that sounds like something that interests you to sign up and get some free stock, head to that link, check it out, create an account, and receive your free stock. Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker TSLA or Tesla. So they missed here on revenue and earnings and have made a big move lower. They closed above the 242 mark yesterday, and right now in pre-market they are trading around 227. So big move lower here. And on the daily time frame, I have been talking about this key level to the downside at 240. I've been talking about how I've been keeping an eye on that level. That is a support level that got touched way back in June. We dipped below that in August, but it quickly rallied back up. So again, we are going to be falling below that low that we haven't seen in a couple months. The last time we were trading, below this 240 level was back in August. So don't be surprised with this move and close below 240. Well, we'll see if it closes. I think it is, but we'll have to see what today, brings. If we get a massive pump and we get some massive buying coming in here, maybe this thing can rally back to 240. I don't know if that's going to happen, but if we do actually get a close below this 240 level, do not be surprised if we come down here and test about 212, 213, somewhere in there, because you can see right here going back to mid-August, we went all the way down to that level around 212, and that's kind of where the buyers stepped in and kind of where things bounced there. So on EPS, the consensus estimate here was 73 cents a share, so they missed that by a decent amount here. 9.81% miss to the downside there, and then on the revenue, that was about a 3% miss to the downside. So the consensus was 24.14 billion. They came in at 23.35 billion. I was also looking through some of the news stories here, and we got a lot of analysts and stuff talking negatively about the stock. It says here the near term is quite challenging for Tesla. So that's from someone at Wells Fargo, and then we've also got here Gene Munster from Deepwater saying that ultimately Tesla needs to improve its margins. We've also got some price target adjustments here. So Citigroup had them with a price target of $350. That has moved down $40 to $310. Morningstar has a slight decrease here from $215 to $210. Wells Fargo has a slight decrease here, but they still have them at equal weight. Morgan Stanley moving the price target from $400 down to $380. Looks like we've got a couple more downgrades here, 243 to 226, 265 to 235, and also 330 down to 310. So even though they did have this miss here, I had this double miss on EPS and on earnings. A lot of analysts are still keeping pretty high price targets here for Tesla, no doubt. So even though they had a miss here, and the earnings have decreased quite a bit. Even if you look at the last quarter where they came in at 91 cents a share, that's a pretty big move lower there. And if we come 4 quarters back, we look year over year, they had, $1.05? Same quarter last year. So for me, if they do come down and test about 212, 213, I'm okay with it. I'm okay if they even bleed below that, because I do believe that they will recover, and in the future the earnings will return and we'll get back above $1 a share. So, I wouldn't mind if we came down and tested the 213 level, and even if we blew through that, because it would just give me the ability to average down. And, like a lot of these analysts, they still have pretty high price targets for Tesla. So I'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker TSLA or Tesla. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.